This is my FabFitFun box. Now, I know you've seen a lot of different FabFitFun boxes, but you haven't seen my take on it. Sometimes I regret the choices I make, and sometimes I don't. In this case, I really do like what I got. So, anyway, on the sale, the thing that's great is the FabFitFun edit sale. Stuff you can have added to your order. I got 2 of the Patchology eye masks, and this is 5 pairs each box, so I have 10 eye masks. And I got some more of this cocoa floss, which honestly is the greatest dental floss. I know, dental floss, but anyway, it's the greatest stuff ever. So the box is in support of women's Alzheimer's, and I couldn't wait, so I did open up the box. So anyway, this is like code for $15 off your first box. That actually could work for anybody, I guess. Expires February 28th, because I obviously have already gotten my first box. Then there's this HelloFresh, very interesting but too expensive. And then there is the magazine, which is pretty hefty this time. Now I'm going to go through the stuff that I got. I do regret one item now that I've done more reading, and that is the Erno Laszlo mask. It's full size. It's 3.3 ounces, and I have to do a little bit more research because another blogger said this is loaded with calamine, which is very irritating. I always thought calamine was not irritating, so if this ends up being okay, then I'll keep it. If not, like the seal is still intact and everything, then I'll put it in trade. Somebody out there will want it. And then there is LXM1. This was one of the things I chose. This was also an item I chose. This is great because it's like a balm that you can use on like dry skin, but also you can use it on your face when your face is really dry and irritated as a topper. So another thing I chose was the color switch. I don't think you can have too many of this kind of thing. I do have one, but it's not color switch. It's just like a no-name brand. And I haven't been using it, but I'm pretty sure I will put this color switch right on top of my vanity. And another thing I chose, let's get the choice items out first, was Karuna Face for All. It's 6, let's see, what do we got here? 6 face masks and 1 set of eye masks, and they are all different types, like age-defying, antioxidant, brightening, clarifying, exfoliating, hydrating, and the renewal eye one. I think masks are like awesome, so I will definitely be using those up. That was one of my choices. And the other choice was to get this Kate Somerville moisturizer. Shoot, there it is. Goat milk moisturizer. And then, you know, sometimes it's not good to do too much research. That same blogger who wrote that the Erno Laszlo mask was irritating and potentially harmful also wrote some stuff about this that they didn't like. So I'm a little concerned, but not that worried because I did a lot of research on this moisturizer before I even got it. So I did pick this as a choice, and when I do get to it and start using it, I'll let you know how that goes. So everybody got this Prep Rally, and it's basically a detangler, which is good. Prime and Prep detangler. And then there's this body wash, which I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. Cuccio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean. Epsom salt, hand, and body wash. I'm not sure that I'm interested in that, but it did come as something that everybody got. And everybody got a full-size makeup eraser, but I already have I already have a whole bunch of makeup eraser type dupes that are working great. So I'm not sure if I'm going to give this away or put it in trade. So anyway, this was a good box, I believe. I made some foolish choices, but we all do. And some choices were definitely worth making. But yes, I'm not in love with everything in the box, but what are you going to do? It's all full size and it's all pretty expensive stuff. I don't think I'm going to continue this after my spring box. I purchased a 1-year membership, and I think after that box, it's going to be see you later, thank you, but no more. And so that's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Vlogmas number 2, and goodbye. Thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.